Why should you start estate planning in your 30s? It's often misinterpreted as a service for only older adults or the extraordinarily wealthy. But it's time we debunk this myth and paint estate planning in its true light. The truth about estate planning. Estate planning is, in fact, for everyone, not just the aging or the affluent. Regardless of age or financial status, planning for your assets and your family's future should be a priority. You are especially starting as early as in your 30s. The importance of starting early. Predicting the future might be impossible, but preparing for it is not. The 30s may seem too early for some, but it's the perfect time to think about your financial future and how your assets will be handled. Lessons from the pandemic. The recent COVID-19 pandemic served as a wake-up call, highlighting the unpredictability of life and the need for a robust estate plan, regardless of age. Understanding estate planning. Estate planning involves making plans for transferring your estate after death, including all assets of any value you own. Estate planning consists of various legal documents, such as a will, assignment of power of attorney, and a living will or healthcare proxy. Financial freedom through estate planning. Estate planning gives you control over your financial future, ensuring your hard-earned assets are protected and allocated according to your wishes. Without an estate plan, your assets could end up in unintended hands or be depleted due to legal costs. The psychological comfort of estate planning. Establishing an estate plan can provide peace of mind not only for you but for your loved ones as well. It allows you to take control of your legacy and ensure your wishes are followed. Key steps to start estate planning in your 30s. The first step in estate planning is to identify all your assets. Next, determine who will receive these assets upon your death. Designating guardians and planning for taxes. If you have children under 18, it's essential to designate a guardian for them. And remember about estate taxes. With proper planning, you can minimize or avoid them altogether. You are selecting an executor. Lastly, you'll need to choose an executor who will fulfill your wishes as outlined in your estate plan. Why the 30s is the ideal time to start. Your 30s is typically the decade where you start accumulating substantial assets, making it the ideal time to start planning. Plus, you have time on your side, meaning you can take your time to make well-thought-out decisions. The role of professionals in estate planning. A good financial advisor can guide you through the process. In complex situations, you need the expertise of an estate planner. When to start and update estate planning. While it's never too early to start estate planning, starting in your 30s can give you a head start. It's recommended to update your estate plan every 3 to 5 years or sooner if significant changes occur. Starting estate planning in your 30s is a step towards a secure and financially stable future. It's a pivotal time to take control of your financial health and the legacy you leave behind. So, break the stereotypes and start planning today. Your future self will thank you. The team at ALTA Estate, led by Mark Fishbein, is here to help you with all your estate planning needs. Contact us today to get started.